Kurumirira mihango ya utarani wa andu iria gatafanio tariki 24 na tariki 25 mweri uyu ni ruhonge rwa ndari guku bururi-ini. Minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Dagitari Fred Matiang'i ni athanite kuhingwo kwa irabu ciothe na nyumba cia ikenero kuma thaa 11 cia hwai-ini niguo mihango eno itafanio na njira njagiriru. Matiang'i ekwaragio ari kaunti-ini ya Embu kuria oritie muingi wa bururi gukanyita itemi utarani uyu, akiuga undu uyu ni uguteithiriria thirikari gwibanga hari uthii wa na mbere wona yamenya muigana wa andu aria mari guku bururi-ini.
All our social places, especially the bars at 5 o'clock, so that we give you an hour to be home before the enumerators arrive at 6, so that they can find you at home and count you. There will be no holiday. Let us not lie to each other.
Kuhana uguo muingi wa bururi kuma icigo itiganite ni urutite mawoni ngurani kurumirira watho wa kuhingwo kwa irabu o undumwe na nyumba cia ikenero muthi wa utarani uyu.
Uria ngihoya ni andu metikire watho ucio na metikire muthenya ucio mahumuke.
Gukiri uguo Matiang'i ni athingatite kuga ugitiri ni ugakorwo gacirithitio na njira nene guothe bururi-ini o undumwe na gutigirira mihango eno ni atafanio na njira njithiranu.
We cannot achieve development effectively if we do not know how many people we are planning for. All security personnel have been recalled. We have no one on leave this week and next week. We are all working.
Riri rigukorwo ari rita ria gatandatu mihango teno gutafanio guku bururi-ini kuma hindi ya wiyathi, utarani uyu ukihanika rita ria mwisho mwaka wa 2009. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.